Basta may sales, okay na. Naniniwala ka ba na basta kumikita naman ng business, hindi na kailangan pag-aralan pa ang cash flow? This is exactly the thinking that quietly caught up with a woman I know. Let's call her Cora. Si Cora merong laundry shop with multiple drop-off and pick-up points sa kanyang city. Consistent naman ang negosyo niya, regular customers, steady orders, at yung kanyang mga machines were almost always running. For years, ganito ang mindset ni Cora. Basta may customers, okay na. Kaya nakafocus siya sa customers, on the operations, on making sure everyone was happy, and she left the numbers to sort themselves out. Hindi niya masyadong tinitingnan ng expenses kasi feeling niya, basta may pumasok na pera, maayos na ang lahat. Pero 1 month, everything came due. At the same time, machine repairs, supply purchases, and the rental increase. Nako, nataranta siya. Paano nangyari ito? When she was finally sitting down with her bookkeeper, nakita niya na something na hindi niya napapansin. Yung kanyang pinakamalaking accounts, yung mga small hotels and apartment buildings, nagbabayad sa katapusan ng buwan. Pero yung kanyang supplies at yung kanyang machine maintenance, mid-month pa lang, kailangan na. That 2 to 3 weeks gap, sapat na para maging malaking problema para sa kanya. At eto yung lesson. The problem was never overspending. It was not paying attention to when the money moved. Kaya anak, fully booked ang schedule mo, mataas ang sales, but if you are not watching when money comes in and goes out, hindi mo makikita kung saan laging kulang. Remember, busy and okay are two different things, ha? Let's just continue to be business-minded, Pinoy. Grow your business, Pinoy. Have you been running your business for years but feel like you're going around in circles? Anak, parang stuck ka, scattered, and you're not quite sure where the next right step is and what it is. So Grow Your Business, Pinoy is a book that gives you a clear step-by-step growth roadmap. It's practical, proven, and built for the realities of running a business in the Philippines. Wala nang guessing, wala nang doing everything and going nowhere. Just a clear path forward. Finally, get your copy now, anak. The link is in the comment section.